So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. It's like the stylist is doing some color here and then proceeds to continue with the cut. Ooh, very cute pixie makeover. Now for the next one, we have another long to short transformation. And it looks like she went blonde. So not only did she cut off all her hair, she also went blonde. So for transformation number 3, we have a hair color change. I love this. It's like a subtle copper tone that she's rocking here. Very pretty. And then here we have someone with a bob. She also decided to mix it up by going blonde. Oh, followed by another long to short makeover. So he just cut that braid right off. He proceeds to dye the hair. Like she went darker. She gets a fresh, volumized style bob. Look at the volume here. Beautiful. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. So she has pretty long hair. I mean, it's sitting around tailbone length, I would say. She wants to cut the hair into a bob that ends around jaw length. So there is the inspiration. So she does have some bangs going there. Very cute, volumized. I like the fact that the stylist is asking her all these questions about her routine. Because not only like when you go to the salon, you know, you want this makeover, you have to be able to maintain it. So he's suggesting that she goes short, but not as short as she wanted, since she doesn't know how to do the styling as well. She's got to learn how to style. Oh, he's still pretty short here, though. She just needs some good rollers. If she got some good rollers, she can sleep in them, take the rollers out in the morning, and be, like, good to go. But this is a super cute bob. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.